In this video here we are going to change the bulbs, the xenon bulbs on a BMW E90, E91, E93. It's the second time I do this change because I was not satisfied with the current ones, so I will put the old ones back in. You can see here, this is what is actually in the car right now. This is Osram Nightbreaker Unlimited Xenon, and I read some some German magazines that these Xenon D1S should be the strongest and also have a nice white color, and it's, I would say, a scam, a nightmare. That's simply not the case. When I mounted these, I compared them with the old, and not only visual, I have measured the light output from the old, and this is also Nightbreaker, but it's called blue, and they were actually 200 lux stronger in intensity. So and I thought, because I read on the internet, you have to run them in for at least 100 hours, then they will perform better and the light color will change. And what a total BS to say something like that. They have remained with the same light color, and I've been using them for 2 years now, and there's no change at all. So as you can see, it's just a small clip here that you have to push a little forward and then to the left and then pull it back. And the connector is just to pull out. There's no locking pin or anything, so just pull. And then you can take out the bulb, the xenon. So we will mount this new lamp here. It's ID. What works best, so put the connector on first or afterwards, I'm not sure. I think here you can see the moisture is entering because it's not clean. So it looks like here it's not fully tight. Put a good silicone grease on, it should be tight then. So before putting the cap back on, I'll just test if the light works. Put this cap on. It's filled with silicone this time.